Okay. Now, children, next topic is fundamental rights. I'm already explained this topic in the beginning. Fundamental rights means the rights provided by Constitution to the all-round development of the citizens. They were called as fundamental rights. Yes, now our Constitution also provided important fundamental rights to the people of the nation. Basically, these fundamental rights are explained by chapter 3, third chapter explained about our fundamental rights. In the beginning, there were 7 fundamental rights are adopted in our Constitution. By the amendment of 44th, right to property is deleted from these fundamental rights. So now there were 6 fundamental rights are provided by Constitution to the people of the nation. They were called right to equality, right to freedom, right to against exploitation, next right to freedom of religion, next cultural and educational rights, next one constitutional remedy, right to constitutional remedies. Yes, right to equality, right to freedom, right to against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. These are all the 6 fundamental rights provided by our Constitution. From these all the rights are explained by Article 14 to Article 32. From Article 14 to Article 32 explain all these fundamental rights in our Constitution. So now I would like to explain one by one. First one, right to equality. Equality, that means all are equal. No one can made higher, no one can made a lower. All the people are treated equally. All the people are equal before the law. All are equal participated in any public function. All are equal entered to the temples, masjids, church, restaurants, hotels, schools, colleges and entertainment houses, etc. All are equal. No one can control anybody to enter the public places. And also equal opportunity provided to the people of the nation to get a job, governmental job. So, like this way, our Constitution provided to the people of the nation for equal opportunity. All are equal before the law. Like this is the first right provided by our Constitution, right to equality. Next one, right to freedom. This is one of the main rights provided by our Constitution. All are have a freedom to attend any public functions without weapon. This is very important. Without weapon, anyone can attend any public function, and all are have a freedom to organize a individual organizations like schools, bank, societies, whatever it may be. All are equal rights to organize organization to attend any public functions, and all are have equal rights for express their own opinion about the government or whatever it may be. Have equal rights for express their own opinion. So this one, rights given by our constitution, right to freedom. Next one, right to against exploitation. This right is provided by our constitution against exploitation. That means in the previous days before independence also, the women, children, weaker people, all are exploited in many ways. Weaker people, women, children, all are exploited by many ways. Women are exploited by parents' side and also after the marriage from husband's side. So she will be exploited. So government, our constitution avoid the begging, dowry and other malpractices. So women are protected by our constitution. Nextly, children. Children are exploited by from the parent side and from society sides. So children are reserved their age from 6 to 14 years for their education. So no one can own or appointed child for the labor below 18 years. After 18, whatever it may be, below 18 years, no one can owner can appointed any child for labor. Right. Next in weaker section, weaker people, untouchable people, low class people in the society, they were exploited from many ways, like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So today our constitution provide voice, chance for voice. If there is any exploitation, at that time it can raise the voice. So this is called as right against the exploitation. Now, right to freedom of religion. India is a multi-religion nation. Hindu, Jaina, Buddha, Sikh, Zoroastrianism, Christian, Islam, all the religions are in India. No one religion declared as a national religion. No one person can control to entering any temples, masjids, church, basaris and whatever it may be. So our constitution provide opportunity to this one. If you want accept any religion, you can follow. No one person not collected religion taxes, religion cess, whatever it may be. No one can person collected as a religion taxes. So equal opportunity provided for all religions people. If you want, you follow, not discriminate any religion. All religions are treated equally. So this is right to freedom of religion. Next one, cultural and educational rights. See children, India is a multicultural nation. all cultured people are live with us. All cultured people are treated equally. If you like any culture, you can follow. No discriminate or no criticize any culture in our country. So this is provide our constitution for our culture, and educational rights also provided for our constitution. All the children have an equal opportunity to enter any institutions. So like that one, our constitution provided for cultural and educational rights. So nextly, constitutional remedies. Right to constitutional remedies. This one, the laws, the right provided by our constitution under the article of 32. Constitutional remedy. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar described this article 32 as heart and soul of the constitution. Say, all the peoples of India, they have a right. If any one person control any rights or denied any rights, they can go to court against them. So, Supreme Court is a protector of our fundamental rights. Supreme Court is a protector of our fundamental rights. Article 32 explains this right to constitutional remedies. So, Supreme Court provide 4 writs to protect our fundamental rights. They were called as habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, prohibition. These are provided by our constitution to protect for our fundamental rights. Next class I will take and discuss with you about these writs of our constitution provided to the people.